This is a 2011 Toyota Camry. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a low-tire pressure indicator, XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, halogen headlights, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 23,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a backseat. This sedan has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.